Understanding the phrase, crane setup, in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, crane setup. This is an important term, especially in contexts involving construction or mechanical operations. Let's dive in and understand what it signifies and how it's used in everyday English. Crane setup refers to the process of assembling and preparing a crane for operation. Cranes are large machines used for lifting and moving heavy objects. The setup involves several steps: choosing the right crane for the job, assembling the crane, which may include attaching the boom, jib, and other components, ensuring safety by checking all the parts and making sure they are securely fastened, testing the crane to see if it functions properly. This phrase is mostly used in industrial and construction settings. For example, the crane setup at the construction site took several hours. Before lifting the heavy beams, the workers completed the crane setup. It's essential for safety and efficiency in these environments. A proper crane setup is crucial for preventing accidents and ensuring safety on construction sites. It involves risk assessment, evaluating potential hazards, planning, determining the right position and configuration of the crane, communication, coordinating with the team involved in the operation. Interestingly, crane setup can also be used metaphorically in everyday language to describe preparing or setting up for a complex task. For example, organizing this event was like a crane setup. It required detailed planning and teamwork. That's it for today. Understanding the phrase, crane setup, helps us appreciate the complexity and importance of this process, especially in construction. Remember, it's not just about the physical setup of the crane but also involves meticulous planning and safety considerations. Hope this video has been insightful and helps you in understanding English phrases better. See you in the next one.